Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not respond. If you have damaged your screen and your screen stopped respond, it means that you need to take your device to the customer service and I can't help you. But if you just have the problem when your One UI is freezed, so you just need to press and hold power and volume down buttons to get them. Press and hold. When you will see Samsung logo on your screen, you can release both keys and wait until your device boots. And sometimes it's a great idea to press and hold firstly power and volume up during 10 seconds, then release them both and press and hold power and volume down. This way you can automatically clear cache in your device and maybe it'd be better, but I think that if you have frozen screen, so maybe not frozen, but if your screen is not respond, so in this way I think you will resolve your problem. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.